Welcome to Monday Money in a Minute. I'm Alan Taylor. This week brought to you from flood-ravaged Brisbane. A lot of people in Brisbane, northern New South Wales and Queensland in general have copped a bit of a hiding over the last week. So we thought this week might be a good idea just to talk quickly about insurances. So a lot of the floods reminds us as to why we need to have insurance and to make sure that we've got the right insurance. So what's really at risk? Is it just your property or is it your personal possessions? If you were affected by the floods, how did you get affected? Did the water come up from the river or did it come down from the sky? One of the things I've found in reviewing a lot of the insurance products that are out there is that in a lot of cases people aren't actually covered from the water that came up from the river. A lot of the policies have provisos in them about flash flooding or storm flooding, which means if the rain came down from the sky and you got flooded, then you're covered. If the water came up from the river and it was a couple of days after the actual rain event, then you're not covered. So something really to be watched out for in the policies that you take out when you're trying to insure your property. Important time now, I guess, with the clean-up to maybe review some of those circumstances, what policies you've got. Make sure that you've got the policy that covers you the way you need to be covered. Heartbreaking for people to think that they're insured, they've been paying their premiums, it's all been good, and now an event like this comes along when you really need insurance, and the poor old insurance companies, they're going to try and squirm out of it. So hopefully everybody that's going to see this video, they've got some coverage and or they weren't too badly affected. For those of you that were, our hearts go out to you. All of us here at Aussie are thinking of everybody, but do use the time to try and make sure that you've got the right cover for the future. Hopefully that helps. We'll talk to you next time.